is exactly how much YouTube paid me for a video that got 1,000 views. This particular video of mine got almost 200,000 views, and guess how much they paid me? I feel like crying. This is because of a simple mistake that I made. But anyways, in this particular video, I'll be sharing with you how much I was paid. This is for my faceless videos. I'll walk you through some of the videos and how much money YouTube paid me for each and every one of them. And not just that, I'll also share with you why that particular video got that amount and few things that I skipped in the last video that I made on how YouTube pays. I talked about your niche and everything. I will link it down below in case you need the video. But for this particular video, I'll show you the earnings. Maybe very soon we'll talk about other channels that are not faceless. If you like to see the one that is not the faceless one, should I say this one? Let me know in the comments. If you like to see how much, let me know in the comments. But for this particular one, let's use the faceless channel. Are you cool with that? Please. In other social media platforms, 1K views doesn't pay you anything. When I tell you, YouTube is the best platform, don't even argue it. No matter the content you are making, if it's faceless or face or anything, YouTube will pay you for 1K views. And YouTube is the only platform that will pay you for 1K views. Depends on your country, but YouTube will pay you. And if you're in the right niche, they will pay you more, right? Doesn't matter whether you are doing faceless or you are showing your face, they will pay you very well. You won't just go empty-handed because you are starting. No, YouTube will pay you for even starting. Whatever I say, I have facts. Like, I teach with facts. I have been in other platforms, so don't argue. When I tell you something, just if you are also in a faceless channel or you are going into faceless channel, my faceless YouTube cash flow is on discount right now. So you might consider taking advantage of it now. It is way more cheaper. I will link it in the description box. So this video right here got 1,000 views as you can see right now. And guess how much money YouTube paid for it? Guess. I already made a separate video explaining everything that has to do with monetization. I will leave the video in the description box. Somebody commented about CPM and RPM and I skipped it in that particular video. So let's quickly talk about CPM and RPM. So let's start with CPM. What is CPM? How much advertisers pay YouTube? And this number depends heavily on your niche. And we all know that audience, where they are watching from matters. So no need to talk about that again. So now let's talk about RPM. That is the number that matters more to me, and that is the number that should matter to you. I know you'll be like, what now? Now let me tell you what is RPM. So you'll be like, hey, this is what I've been waiting for. I know, calm down. So RPM is the money that you make for every 1,000 views. Now you are enjoying this video, right? This includes YouTube Premium. You know, people subscribe to YouTube Premium, so ads won't run on their videos, right? Everything combined. For 1,000 views, how much you make, how much YouTube pays you is called RPM. If you want to know how much you are making on a particular video, just check the RPM. Now, here is the part that most beginners find confusing. They still do not understand this. You might have a high CPM, but you are earning very little. That is, your RPM might be little. This might be the cause. Number one is not everybody sees ads. You know that, right? Good. And only monetized views count. Some persons actually skip ads. You might be one of them. Don't mind me. Some also block ads. These people and short videos actually earn less. Short videos earn less money. And again, audience can't replace a big role. So even if CPM is $30, $20, $15 or $10, your actual earnings depends on RPM. So let's break down the payment of these specific videos. I'll be showing you how much they made, the audience and everything, so you see for yourself what I just explained. So let's call this one the practical section. We have talked about it so you understand it. So now let me show you how they play major roles. So now you see it for yourself, right? For best understanding, because you have understood. But if I show you now, you over understand. Don't mind me again. Let's check out this particular video that got 1.1k views. This is 1,000, almost 1.1, right? 1,800 and 1,086. This video, I made it when I started creating content on YouTube. I do not have all the ideas that I have now, both everything that we discussed in this video that determines how much they pay you, right? So I was just making random videos, somebody that got started. So if you are seeing this video, you're actually lucky, because maybe I didn't find this or it didn't come to my feed. I don't know, but I didn't see videos like this when I started, right? And I don't know much about YouTube. So this is how much it paid me. This is 69 cents for 1K views. And you already know why. My audience, even the topic of the video and everything that the video entails is actually poor. Very poor, not even poor, it's actually very much poor. Now I know why it paid this right here. So this is it for this one. So let's check the next video. This particular video got 197,300k views, almost 200,000 views, and it's still going right now. Let's check the audience. First people here topping the chart is Nigeria. Second people, Kenya, Ghana, Uganda, Zambia. Oh, with this right here, you already know what the earnings will look like, right? And now let me shock you. It's got $7 only. Let me call it $8. And I know you'll be wondering why. That is why I was actually sad, right? It's not that this is how much it paid me. Nope. The thing is, they blocked my ad when this video started going viral. If you have been watching my video, you have seen when I talked about, making videos as investment. When I started, I was just posting regularly, posting without, it wasn't going viral. I wasn't monetized. So when I actually got monetized, about to set up things, I don't know anything. It was at that stage that this video and the next video that I will be showing you started picking up. Like, they're not picking up, they were blowing up. Video that got 0 views, from 0 views it started blowing. Like, it started gaining lots of views. And guess what, I was running about looking for how do I fix it, how do I do that. So they blocked my ad and I wasn't able to earn anything from this video. This particular one you are seeing right here is finally where I set it up. Like, all the views wasted. They blocked my ad, not the monetization. They blocked my ad when these videos were blowing up, and it was a total waste of dollars. Imagine if I earn from these videos, almost 200k views wasted. How much dollars did I waste? Just count it. Just count it. But I don't even want to come here again. Please let me just leave here, because whenever I see this video, it's actually, anyway, it's experience though, but let me just leave this particular one first. So my next video will be how to avoid this mistake that I made, so you can set up your ads, you know what to do and when to do it. Stay tuned so don't miss out and make the mistake that I made, so that a whole 200k views of yours will not waste. You will not waste your dollars. This particular video got, as of now, 171,000 views, and the watch time, they really watched for a long time, and it gave me over 2,000 subscribers. This is amazing, just one video. Let's see the audience. Nigeria here, Ghana, Kenya, Sierra Leone, and Gambia. Wow, with this right now, they are all African countries, so you should tell right now what the revenue should look like. The estimated revenue is $2. You already know why it blew up when I wasn't set, when I haven't set up everything, so they blocked my ad, right? They blocked my ad, so this is what I got. I pray it keeps moving. At least let me get the efforts. This $2 right now is equivalent to what? I think it's 5,000 naira or 3,000. I think so. 5,000 naira is not even up to the data that I used in making this video right here. So let's just move more so I can be able to get my money. It should keep going right now that everything is set. So it's fine. The engagement and everything is actually very, very, very good. I try to make my videos interesting, so they watch for a long time, right? The watch time is actually very good. And it gave me lots of subscribers, but revenue, story for another day. And so this number will not always be the same. It varies, it changes. Your earnings always change based on everything we have discussed, the audience, the RPM, the blah, blah, blah. We have talked about everything, so that is what determines how much you earn. So now you understand how payment on YouTube works, how YouTube pays their money, and why they do what they do, right? And I know you love to see me in my next video, so please like this video, comment, and also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.